Hi students, our next chapter is decimals. What is decimals? Listen carefully. Here, total how many parts are here? Small squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10, how much parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. 6 parts out of 10 are shaded. Okay. Then in second, here how much parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts out of 10 shaded. Clear? Next. Then 15 parts out of 100 are shaded. The fraction is 15 by 100. Okay. Next, 32 parts out of 1000 are shaded. The fraction is 32 by 1000. Clear? Here, the denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc. That means 1 followed by zeros. Such kind of fractions are called decimal fractions. What? Decimal fractions. Clear? Such kind of fractions are called decimal fractions. The decimal fractions we can represent as decimal number. How do we represent? 6 by 10 equals 0.6. Clear? 0.6. 5 by 10 equals 0.5. Clear? Then 15 by 100 equals 0.15. Don't read 0.15. 0.15. Clear? Then 32 by 1000 equals 0.032. After the decimal points, here we should need 3 places because here 3 zeros are there in 1000. Here only 2 zeros. So the after decimal point here 1, 2 places. Here in 10 1 0. After the decimal point here 1 place. Here in 10 1 0. After the decimal point 1 place. But here only 2 places, but in 1000 3 zeros are there. So we should insert a 0 left. Clear? Next, write the equivalent fractions with 10, 100 or 1000 as the denominator. First question, 1 by 2. To get here 10, what we should multiply here? 2 into 5 equals 10. Here also multiplied by 5. So, here 5 by 10. Then to get here 100, what we should multiply here? By 10. 10 tens are 100. Here also by 10. So, 5 tens are 50. Okay. Next, 1 by 5. To get here 10, we should multiply here by 2. Here also by 2. So, here 2. 2 into dash equals 20. 2 into 10 equals 20. So, here also multiply by 10. So, 100. Okay. Next, 3 by 20. To get here 100, 20 into dash equals 100. 20 into 5 equals 100. Here also by 5. So here 15. Then 100 into 10 equals 1000. So here also by 10, 150 by 1000. D. 11 by 25 equals dash by 100 equals 440 by dash. Here 11 by 25. To get 100 here, what we should multiply here? Here we should multiply by 4. When we multiply the denominator by 4, we should multiply the numerator also by 4. 11 into 4 equals 44. Okay. Then 44 into dash equals 440. 44 into 10 equals 440. Here also by 10. So this is 1000. 100 into 10 equals 1000. Okay. Second question. Shade the squares to show the fractions. Here how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squares. Okay. 10 squares are there. We have to shade 3 by 5 of 10 squares. What we have to do here? We should convert this fraction into equivalent fraction. Total 10 squares. So we have to convert this 5 into 10. Here also by 10. So 6 squares out of 10. How much we have to shade here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. This is the 3 by 5 parts of 10 squares. Clear? Listen children. 32 by 100. The denominator is 100. 1 followed by 2 zeros. So this is a decimal fraction. What is the corresponding decimal number of this decimal fraction? Equals 0.32. This point is called decimal point, and the left side of the decimal point is called whole number part, and after the decimal point this part is called decimal part. This is decimal part and this is whole number part. Listen carefully. Next is equivalent decimals. What is equivalent decimals? Here total number of parts equals 10. Out of 10, 3 parts shaded. So that decimal fraction is 3 by 10. Okay. Here total 100 parts. Out of 100 parts, 30 parts shaded. So the decimal fraction is 30 by 100. 3 by 10 and 30 by 100 are corresponding factors. Corresponding decimal fractions. Here, when we multiply here by 10 and by 10, this is an equivalent fraction of 3 by 10. That means 30 by 100. These two fractions are corresponding fractions. They are called equivalent decimals. Equivalent decimals. The decimal number of 3 by 10 equals 0.3. That is equals 0.30. Clear? Then to get 1000 here, we should multiply here by 10. So that is equals 300 by 1000. That is also an equivalent fraction of 3 by 10 or 30 by 100. We can here 3 by 10 equals 3 by 30 by 100 equals 300 by 1000. They are equivalent decimal fractions. The corresponding decimal number is 0.3 equals 0.30 equals 0.300. They are equivalent decimal. Example 1. Read the numbers represented by each of these. First one, 10 parts out of 10 shaded. Here 3 parts out of 10. We can write 10 by 10 plus 3 by 10. 10 by 10 means 1. 1 plus 3 by 10, which is equals 1.3. 1.3 is the answer. B. First shaded portions, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 means 1. No? 10 out of 10 means 1. Full. So, 1. Then plus, how much here? 2 parts out of 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts out of 100. This much we have to add. Okay. Here 10 by 10 means 1. 1 plus 2 by 10 plus 7 by 10. We can convert this into 10. 100. So 20 by 100 plus 7 by 100. Okay, we already studied the addition of like fractions. 1 plus 20 plus 7, 27 by 100, which is equals 1.27. This is the answer. Example 2. Write 2 equivalent decimal for each. It is very easy to write equivalent decimals. The equivalent decimal of 5.2 equals 5.20 equals 5.200 equals 5.2000. Okay. Then the equivalent decimal of 7.35. 7.350 equals 7.3500 equals 7.3500. Okay. 3. Is 0.5 equivalent to 0.05? Explain. Here 0.5 is equal to 0.50. Clear? 0.50 is the equivalent decimal of 0.5. That means 0.5 means 5 parts out of 10. 0.50 means 50 means 50 parts out of 100. Okay. 0.05 means 5 by 100. 0.5 by 100 is quite different from 5 by 10. So they are not equivalent. So they are not equivalent. Equivalent decimals. Clear?